60 seconds. 60 seconds, how many reps you can get with what chain you using first?
Just switching back and forth.
Okay, switching back and forth,
yeah.
sounds good.
Right. I'm going to do like maybe 2 or 3 per hand.
Okay.
You know?
Yeah.
I'll count my own since you're going to be watching them.
Yeah.
Okay? Tell me when to go.
On your mark, get set, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Keep going, bro. You're good. 30 seconds in.
12, 13, 14,
43 seconds.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
Time.
20.
Nice. You got it just in the nick of time, brother. Nice.
We're rolling. All right.
Okay, start.
Yep.
Ready?
You ready?
Yep.
Set. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, just spell you right with one rep at a time in your last 6. 7, 20. 8.
I lost count.
Here we go. 30 through. Come on.
Oh, left hand.
20 seconds. 15 to go. Last 10. Time. What'd you get?
Gotta count it on the video.